Good morning, dear students. This video is for Standard 6 children. English Literature, Chapter 8, Monday Morning. Monday Morning is adapted from The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, written by Samuel Langhorne Clemens, who is better known by his pen name Mark Twain. So, this famous personality is known as Mark Twain, whose original name is Samuel Langhorne Clemens. He was the renowned author and humorist of his age, and he had used his own childhood experience to create this character called Tom. The three characters of Monday Morning are Tom, who is a mischievous boy who lives with his aunt, and her name is Aunt Polly, and his brother, whose name is Sid. So let's start the explanation part. Monday morning. Now, as I told you, this story is about a boy whose name is Tom Sawyer, who do not like to go to schools. He considers Mondays as boring, as the previous 2 days, that is Saturday and Sunday, he enjoys he had enjoyed a lot. He goes to fishing, he plays with his brother Sid, and suddenly when Monday comes, he has to go to school, which he does not like at all. So he uses his acting skills so as to gain his aunt's sympathy and avoid going to school. Now, Tom's always find his Monday morning miserable. Monday morning comes and it makes him unhappy. He always considered it another week's slow suffering in school. So he always considered Monday as a slow suffering week in school because he has to go to school. And if there are no holidays in between, it make it more difficult for him to go to school. So he lays thinking and wishes to be sick so that he could avoid going to school. Now he thinks if there is any chance of avoiding the school. So he investigates his whole system, he inspects his whole system, his body, and tries to find an illness. He investigates again and again, and he could feel some pain in the stomach. So this pain gives him a hope of staying back at home. But suddenly that pain disappears and he could feel nothing. Then he realized that his tooth was loose, that he finds that his upper tooth was loose. And he decides to make a deep, loud noise, showing pain. And as he was about to groan, he decides not to complain about it. As he was about to groan, as he was about to shout about his pain, then he decided not to complain about it, as aunt would pull the tooth out and it would hurt him. So he decides to find something else. Then he remembered once the doctor said about a disease that someone may lose a finger. So there he saw his sour toe under the sheet, and now he thinks of making a deep sound, means he decides to shout ground about his toe. Now he don't know any symptoms, he actually did not know the necessary symptoms, what should be the symptoms. So he feels that there should be a pain, and he considered that there is a pain in his toe and he began to shout with high energy. Sid, his brother, who was sleeping next to him, is having his sound sleep and he did not notice his sound. So, his shout. So, Tom, he began to groan more louder, and now he could imagine and he could begin to feel that pain in the toe, so in his toe. So Tom began to shout more louder so as to wake Sid up. Okay, but Sid is sleeping unconsciously. So you can see Sid is sleeping unconsciously, and Tom continues to groan louder and louder. But there is no reaction from Sid. So now Tom begins to feel tired. Then he takes a deep breath, he takes some rest, and then he began to shout more loudly. But Sid slept on. Now Tom was very, very irritated. He was very angry. What he then what he does is he goes to Sid and shakes him. He shakes him, and this works. And Tom again began to shout. He shakes him. Now when Sid is awake, he begins to groan more louder. Now Sid yawns, stretches, and he wakes up and he asks, what is the matter, Tom? And there is no response from Tom. Thank you, students. In the next video, I will explain the remaining part.